We'll definitely be able to see how many animals have been using this. There we go. Officially the very first camera of 2024. Right here, trail camera. Cool. Cool. All right, let's get up there and see what we got. Okay, so we got a little bit of a plan. They can't tangle, can they? No. So we're gonna pull these cameras and then replace them with new, ready to go. So it should go a lot faster. The snow really bogs us down. But this has been here for, whoa, it's hard getting up here. Been up here for a long time. Looks like it's moved a little bit. Let's see if, I don't think the battery, oh, a little bit of water coming out. Let's see if the batteries are still working. Nope, and we did not expect them to, so that's okay. That's all right. Okay, deploying the first camera of 2024. I know it's February, but there was no way we could get out here. We're gonna line it up on that trail right there. Coming down.